Buyers, congratulations. Your inspection report came back with 47 pages. But does the seller have to repair everything on that report? No, they don't. Gina, Thayer here with eXp in the Houston area. In Texas, an inspection gives the buyer information about the condition of the property, but repair negotiations depend completely on the contract, circumstances, and parties to the contract. The big mistake is treating the inspection report like a little Christmas wish list. Instead, I like to focus on the big items, the expensive things. Roof, foundation, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, water intrusion, and maybe safety issues as well. Then we decide what really matters here. Depending upon the contract, the buyer might request repairs, negotiate money towards certain items, renegotiate other terms, or decide the property is not the right fit for them. The inspection is not about making an older house brand new by any means. It's about understanding what you're buying. Because that tiny crack in the outlet cover, seriously, probably not where we want to spend our negotiating time and ammunition.